Green tea is beneficial for your skin and has many beauty benefits. Green tea face packs are the easiest way to use this wonderful ingredient to keep your skin healthy. It is a great source of antioxidant, vitamin C and E, which are perfect for skin care. This green tea face mask works wonders to clear your face and makes your skin firm and radiant.
Hello guys, welcome back on the Foodie. I'm Daisy. Green tea is a boon for the skin, but combining it with things like honey may serve as an amazing face mask. It helps in anti-aging by fighting harmful damage. So let's get started.
All you need is 1 teaspoon of green tea powder, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, half teaspoon honey, and 1 teaspoon of MULTANI MITTI. Mix all the ingredients well. And apply on makeup-free damp skin. The mask is suitable for all skin types, whether you have oily, acne-prone skin or sensitive and dry skin.